Hello friends, my name is profmsrao. I have authored 53 books including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate is known as Dalai Lama has in a foreword. I have 43 years of diversified experience including Indian Air Force, business, teaching and training. In the short video, I talk various aspects about artificial intelligence, technology, entrepreneurship, and disruption. And AI is changing the world, and 80% of the jobs will be changed, and there won't be any more jobs, and people will go for they will go for part-time jobs, and they will become gig workers. This is the trend which is currently trending, and social media started and 2010, and it's ruling, and after AI things have gone much faster, and it's very difficult to predict what happens next. This is the trend, and we can't predict. Every 3 months we have to reinvent. We can't specifically tell about the duration, but we have to keep learning and growing, and you have to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Second thing is, there will be abundance in the future. In the past we had scarcity, and now I am very much optimistic that we will find abundance everywhere, and people will lead better lives. And especially these millennials and centennials have lots of opportunities, and they are working hard, and they are working smart, and they are working wise, and they will impact and do better, and they will work hard, and for the next generation of leaders. So, and about entrepreneurs, entrepreneurship is for brave-hearted, not for faint-hearted. So you have to strive to become an entrepreneur, but it's full of challenges. Everybody can't become Elon Musk. And we talk about Elon Musk, is an incredible entrepreneur. He's an excellent entrepreneur. He has 6 companies, and he's an advisor for Trump. So lots of things he's doing. So everything is possible when you have a clear focus and you have a vision. So he's successful. And let me relate certain aspects. Once we talked about Steve Jobs. Now we are talking about Elon Musk, and who will be in the future, that we can't predict. So people come and go away, but ideas are and ideals are eternal, and old water will be replaced by fresh water. So the previous leaders will be gradually leaving, and the new leaders will be born, and technology is changing the game. And above all, we have to emphasize humanity. And let me share with you my challenge. I was blessed to be alive after brain stroke in the year of 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology. The message from this video is that embrace failures, embrace change, embrace technology. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.